Hello, this is Annie from Shenzhen Jijiao Innovations, engaged in OLED and LCD digitizer assembly for iPhone. Here I'm going to introduce our LCD digitizer assembly for iPhone 8. Yes, exactly what I'm holding in my hand. Yeah, we got two options as you can see, the black one and the white one. This model is with nano coating, ensure the resistance to annoying oil stains when sometimes we put a fingerprint on it. With the authorization of TFT LCD of display type and TSMC manufactured IC and Mitsubishi 175 micron OCA, the resolution reaches 1334 by 750. As you can see, the luminance able to reach 547.61 candela per square meter with 360-degree polarized lens supported. Recently, we have upgraded the model with the mantle backplate for the benefit of better heat dissipation. If this interests you and want more information, please reach me by this email address or leave your comment. This is Annie. Thank you for your time.